Insulin does not suddenly fail. It does not vanish. It does not stop being produced. What changes first is the cell. Diabetes does not begin with insulin loss. It begins with cellular fatigue. At first, the cell responds. Then it compensates. Then it tolerates. Until one day, tolerance replaces resistance, and survival replaces balance. The silent shift medicine rarely sees. Medicine asks, is insulin present? The cell asks a deeper question. How long can I keep responding under constant demand? Insulin is released. Glucose enters. But signaling becomes slower. Receptors lose sensitivity. Recovery takes longer. Nothing is broken. Nothing is abnormal. But the cost of regulation is rising. Insulin resistance is not rebellion. It is exhaustion. The most dangerous moment in metabolism is not when insulin stops working. It is when the cell decides that responding fully is no longer sustainable. This is how insulin resistance is born. Not abruptly, not dramatically, but quietly through overuse. Insulin does not disappear. The cell is the one that gets tired first. A real case, when insulin was still there. Khaled, 46 years old. His lab results were acceptable. Fasting glucose within range. Insulin present. HbA1c borderline normal. No diagnosis. No urgent concern. But his body was signaling something else. Heavy mornings. Faster post-meal fatigue. Stronger cravings. Slower mental clarity. Gradual weight gain despite similar habits. Insulin was not missing. It was being ignored. Not consciously, but biologically. 2 years later, type 2 diabetes. The disease did not arrive suddenly. The cell had been surrendering for years. The scientific reality often missed. Research in systems biology and metabolic physiology confirms. Insulin resistance precedes diabetes by years, during which insulin levels may remain normal or elevated. The failure is not hormonal. It is regulatory. Systems biology of metabolic disease. Roots AI does not ask only, how much insulin do you have? It asks the more important question, is your cellular response still resilient? Roots AI tracks cellular responsiveness over time, recovery speed after metabolic stress, patterns of compensation, early regulatory fatigue, before insulin resistance becomes a diagnosis, before tolerance becomes disease.
Diabetes does not begin when insulin disappears. It begins when the cell stops having the strength to respond. Dr. Holly, do you measure insulin by numbers alone, or by how your cells respond to daily demand?